In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a phone call in HubSpot CRM. This is a handy way to keep track of all your customer interactions and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by your HubSpot dashboard. Now, let's navigate to the trial guide. This guide is a valuable resource, providing everything you need to kick off your form building process and much more. It's like your HubSpot map, helping you understand where to find the tools you'll need the most. After you've familiarized yourself with the trial guide, let's head over to your homepage. From there, it's time to click on CRM, which is short for Customer Relationship Management. This is where all your customer data lives. It's your central hub for contacts, companies, deals, and everything in between. With CRM open, the next step is to select contacts. This section lists all the people or organizations you have interacted with and serves as a detailed directory of your business relationships. So click Contacts and then scroll through or use the search bar to find the specific contact you want to log a call for. Once you've located the contact, click on their name to open their profile. This page is filled with pertinent information about the contact, including their interaction history, notes, and schedule. On the left side of this profile page, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled More. Clicking More will reveal a drop-down menu with additional actions you can take. From this drop-down menu, select Log a Call. This function is pivotal, as it allows you to document the details of your conversation, ensuring your team is always on the same page. Once the Log a Call window opens, you'll see spaces to input all the details you want to remember. It's a good practice to jot down important points you discussed or plan to talk about, along with any follow-up actions required. After you've filled in all the necessary details, review your notes to ensure everything is accurate. Once you feel confident that nothing is missing, go ahead and click Save. This action will securely store your call log in HubSpot, making it accessible for your team and ensuring the information is synced across the platform. And that's it! You've successfully logged a phone call in HubSpot CRM. This straightforward process not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your ability to maintain effective communication with your contacts. Remember, staying organized is key to successful customer relationship management. Thanks for watching, and happy HubSpotting.